And our first view from external cameras on the International Space Station showing the Soyuz vehicle. You can clearly see its thruster firings, all automatically commanded as the Soyuz and the International Space Station pass 252 miles over western Algeria. Yuri Malenchenko has begun his fly-around to precisely align the forward docking probe on the Soyuz with the docking port on the Rassvet module. Again, Rassvet was the docking module, if you will, that was delivered to the nadir or Earth-facing port of the Zarya module of the International Space Station on the STS-132 mission of Atlantis. As the Corps' automated rendezvous system positions the Soyuz for its precise alignment of the Rassvet module on the Earth-facing port of the Zarya module, in the lower portion of your screen, you can see various elements of the U.S. segment of the International Space Station just right at the crosshairs. You can see the Quest airlock just on the upper right quadrant. That Quest airlock to be used in late August in just a few weeks by Suni Williams and Hoshide for a U.S.-based spacewalk to replace an ailing main bus switching unit, a power unit on the truss of the International Space Station, and to lay some cabling for the arrival in late 2013 of the next Russian module called the Multi-Purpose Laboratory Module that will be launched to the International Space Station to replace the Pirs docking compartment.
We confirm SSPP group LED is on. Final approach parameters are nominal, and we are aligned with the...
Now flying over northwest Kazakhstan, just 40 meters away from the International Space Station, the three-section Soyuz vehicle. The forward section is the orbital module with the forward docking probe extended, ready to come into contact with the Rassvet module docking port. The crew, Malenchenko, Williams, and Hoshide, are in their contoured, custom-made seat liners. In the center section, the descent module, the only portion of the Soyuz that returns to Earth, and at the very back end, that white section with the solar arrays is the instrumentation and propulsion module, obviously where the propellant tanks and the engines are located.
Loud and clear. Copy.
You can see the Corps' automated rendezvous system, the crosshairs in this engineering view, just about perfectly aligned with the docking target on the Rassvet module.
We see a small misalignment, but again, everything is within the range. It's been compensated. Rate is normal. Standing by for contact. The target is almost at the center. Crosshairs aligned. Contact confirmed. Capture confirmed.
Docking confirmed. Docking confirmed at 11:51 p.m. Central Time, 12:51 a.m. Eastern Time over northeast Kazakhstan. So on the 37th anniversary of that famous handshake in space by Tom Stafford and Alexei Leonov during the Apollo-Soyuz mission, another union of crews takes place to continue that legacy.